Hey guys, so now we're on our way to breakfast and then we're going to go on a safari tour and it's going to be like a waterfall and stuff. So that's Karina. Hi. Hi. Surprisingly, I'm actually not even that tired. I feel awake. And that was we had like a water fight and stuff, it was so fun, but I regret wearing makeup because I didn't know it's gonna be like this. So guys, I'm not getting the water. I think when we go back to the hotel, I'll go to the beach. Yeah, same. Yeah, we basically go back to the hotel, but my makeup right now is patchy. It's nice. And I think I'm gonna go in the water as well. So we just finished the safari tour. Not safari tour? Canyon thing, whatever you call it. And I wiped off my makeup because I felt so sticky. Like, guys, wearing makeup in a hot country is not the one. I'm not doing it again. Maybe I will, depends. But yeah, my hands are shaky. But yeah, I literally fell asleep on the ride back because the journey was so long and it was so bumpy. But honestly, it's so fun. If you come to Turkey, guys, you have to do it. Honestly, you have to do it. It's so much fun. There you go. Hey guys, so I had a shower, just came back from the pool. Well, that was actually a couple of hours ago. Just washed my hair and stuff. Yeah, freshened up. And now we're about to go and get some food from the we're getting some food from the hotel this time because we can't be able to go out today. Today is literally just a chilled, relaxed day. And my eyelashes, like, I have literally like only a few left. That's how you know it's a bit of a mad one. But yeah, about to head out. I'm wearing a 6's top. Go get some food. It's just been a chilled day, to be honest. Went to the beach, went inside the beach, sunbathed, went to the pool, ordered some food. You know, it's just been a relaxed day, and that's what we're doing. So yeah, we've actually been watching TV for the last couple of hours, and do you know what's so funny, right? Like, do you know what's so funny? It's in another language, but at the same time we can't understand what's going on. So it's watching MasterChef, but it's so interesting. Like we don't understand the thing they're saying, but we get some bits. Like when so yes, last night was so good. Like we was gonna do, I think I did say before that we was gonna eat in the hotel room, but we decided to actually eat downstairs in the restaurant, and I'm so happy we did because it was so nice. Like obviously you guys saw the clip, the food was fresh, it was presented really well, like it was so good. Go explore, see what we can do, you know, that all that kind of good stuff. And yeah, I'm just wearing, hold on, I'm just wearing this crop top, as you guys can see. Crop top, it has a little like puffs at the side of it. I've been wearing this necklace the whole trip. So yeah, I'm just wearing that today, and you guys can see my tan line over here. I've actually got a tan, like legit. They have a lot of, it seems like they have a lot of the same shop, and they sold exactly the same things, so I don't really get it, but yeah. Ooh, hot. So now we're going on the cable car. Yeah, we're going on the cable car. It's actually quite cheap, so it's really similar to the one that's in London, the Emirates in London. So we wasn't planning on coming here, but we just walked down and we actually found it, so that's a good thing. We just got off the cable cart, and then now walking around looking at the scenery. And now we're walking around looking at the scenery here, and it's so nice. You can basically see the rest of the sea and the beach from here, which is good. So now we're sitting down because it was actually a trek to come up here, and my legs hurt. So we just finished walking around, I think it's a castle or something like that, but it was really nice, but very hot and tiring. So now we're going down, and luckily we have our own cable car to ourselves. Whee! Look.
Favour.
Lucky us.
No, favour.
Favour.
Bless.
Just ordered room service. We got some burgers, you know. Hey guys, so sorry. Hey guys, so today is our full last day. I'm really sad about it, but you know, all good things must come to an end. So we're on our way to breakfast this morning, and then we're just gonna spend the day basically in water. So today, because it's basically our last day to be able to like get wet, because obviously in London you can't be doing that and stuff, so we're just gonna enjoy it. So yeah, so we've got Karina down here. Hi.
I'm picking for my nose. I'm doing it.
How do you feel? Like, I'm actually so over it. Same, like, I feel on the sun, it's just, it's exercise, honestly. result. Yeah, we knew it was going to tip over, to be honest. I prepared myself mentally. I was thinking, I've got a life jacket on, I'm not going to drown, I'll be okay. That's what I kept thinking, so yeah, that was a mad one still.